Over the last several years, there's been a lot of advances in what we call fillers, which it started out, it used to be collagen, and the problem with collagen was you had to get tested for it. Not everyone could do it because there were a lot of people allergic, and it only lasted weeks, 3-4 weeks. Over the last several years, there has been a lot of improvement in fillers. We have Restylane, Perlane, and Juvederm are the main ones that I use. I also use Radiesse, and most of them last between 9 months to a year, and they have a very high success rate. I would say about a 98% happiness rate of people. We do a lot of correction, we do a lot of cheeks, we do a lot of nasolabial folds to fill that area in, and we also do a lot of lip enhancement. That fillers and Botox will probably be my #1 procedure if you take all my procedures together.